Hi guys, John Hollenhorst here, Keller Williams Gulf Beaches. I'm here at my newest listing, 231 feet of water frontage overlooking Weedon Island Preserve. This property can be divided into 3 lots if desired. Yes, this is 231 feet of deep water frontage. New composite dock, grandfathered at a larger size than currently permitted. And now our view is sweeping over to the Weedon Island Preserve. See, this is quite a view compared to a pool cage across the narrow canal. This is the direction to open water, about 5 minutes away. Back to the property, new seawall in 2023. The house, which is really not figured into the value here. Sweeping view of the property going from west to east. There's 3/4 of an acre. Back to the house and over to the road.